Ninth, images. In Markdown, syntax of images is equivalent to syntax of link. It is inline or referential. First case, in inline, syntax is exclamation mark followed by in square bracket alternate text. This alternate text will be displayed if the image is not displayed. In parenthesis, image followed by in double quote title. Title is optional. In this case, title is not given. Convert the cell into a markdown cell, run the cell, image is displayed. When you hover over the image, title is not displayed. Note that the location of your image and your IPNB file should be in the same folder. Then the image will be displayed. Second, referential. Exclamation mark in square bracket alternate text. If the image is not displayed, this text will be displayed. Then the ID. This ID is defined later, therefore it is referential. ID defined later, image, and in double quotes title. Convert the cell into a markdown cell, run the cell. In this case, if you hover over the image, title is displayed. Note that in this case also, your image and IP and YB file was in the same folder. HTML syntax, image tag with source attribute. Here you will give the link of the image if it is online, or you will give the location of the image with the image name. ALT attribute, alternate text if the image is not displayed will be displayed. Title to the image which you have given with the title attribute. Convert the cell into markdown, run the cell, image is displayed with the title. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.